Welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we are going to draw and color Princess Peppa Pig and a castle tower. Let's start drawing. Let's start by drawing Peppa's eyes, then her nose. Now I draw the shape of her head. After that, I draw her smiling mouth and a circle for her cheek. She is a princess now, so I'm going to draw an amazing crown on her head. Great! Now I draw her body and 2 hands and 2 legs. I finish her clothes with some ornate patterns. Okay, now I draw a line horizontally for the ground, and I start to draw our castle tower. First, I draw the bottom of it, and then the roof. On the top, I draw a triangle-shaped flag. Super! I continue with the windows. I'm going to draw 2 of them. Let's draw some tiles on the roof. We're almost there. Now I finish the tower with some climbing plants. Then I draw 2 cute clouds at the end. And yes, we're ready! Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Good job! Let's start coloring. At first, I am going to use pink for Peppa's skin. And light purple for her cheek. I color her wonderful clothes red. I'm going to use a yellow color like gold for the ornate patterns and also for her crown. I use aqua blue for the gems on her chest. Now let's use the colors of the rainbow to color the small circles on her crown. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Good job! Now I color the leaves of the climbing plants green. I'm going to use red for the roof and for the windows too. I color the two flags with a golden yellow and some blue. For the castle tower, I chose the color gray. And I finished the windows with some light blue. Yippee! I color the ground light green like grass. And I used 2 different shades of blue for the clouds and the sky. Great job! She looks like a real princess! If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you soon!